Students, will continue with exercise 6.5. So we will continue with 14th question. The perpendicular from A on side BC of a triangle ABC intersects BC at D such that DB is equal to 3CD. Prove that 2AB square is equal to 2AC square plus BC square. So what is given? So there is a triangle ABC and AD is a perpendicular to BC and it is going to intersect BC at point B. It is going to intersect BC at point D. Okay. And it is given that DB is equal to 3CD. DB is equal to 3CD. Okay. Now, what we can write? We can write it is given that AD is perpendicular to BC. So, in triangle ADB, BD square is equal to, in triangle ADB, BD square is equal to, this BD square is equal to AB square minus AD square. BD square is equal to AB square minus AD square. This is because of Pythagoras theorem. So you can write it as Pythagoras theorem. Fine. Now in triangle, we'll call it as equation number 1. Next, in triangle ACD, CD square is equal to what we can write? AC square minus AD square. AC square minus AD square. We call it as equation number. So now what we can write? This is AB square minus AD square. AB square minus AD square. And this is AC square minus AD square. So now 1 minus 2. Equation 1 minus equation 2 will give us, see, BD square minus CD square is equal to AB square minus AD square, okay, minus this minus AC square minus AD square. Once you expand it, what you will get? BD square minus CD square is equal to AB square minus AD square as it is, minus AC square, minus into minus plus AD square. This and this will get cancelled. So I can write it as AB square minus AC square is equal to BD square minus CD square. Okay, we have one relation which is given to us. What is that relation? DB is equal to 3CD. DB is equal to 3 times CD. So what we need to express in terms of BC. We need to express these CD and BD in terms of BC. What we can write then? See, if I consider BC as one part, then BD will be equal to 3 by 4 part. 3 by 4 times BC. This will be 3 parts and this will be 1 part. So BD will be equal to 3 by 4. See, total 4 parts. DB is equal to 3 times CD. So this is 3 times CD. So 3 plus 1 will give you 4. Now this 4 is nothing but BC. This thing is nothing but 4. This is nothing but BC. I want to express BD in terms of BC. BD is equal to 3 divided by 4 times BC. And CD can be written as, if it is 3/4, it is 1/4. Put together it will be, total it is equal to 1 part. So CD is equal to 1 by 4 times BC. So we are going to make use of this in this particular equation. I'll call this equation as 3. Okay. So I'll call this as 5, this as 4. 4 in 3 gives. Put the value of, so now equation 3 becomes what we can write it, AB square minus AC square is equal to, instead of BD square what I can write, 3 by 4 BC square. Instead of CD square what I can write, minus 1 by 4 BC whole square. See why I have expressed BD and CD in terms of BC, because I need BC in the proof part. So that is the reason I have expressed BD and CD in terms of BC. Now AB square minus AC square is equal to AB square minus AC square is equal to 3 square is nothing but 9 divided by 16 BC square minus 1 divided by 16 BC square. Okay, AB square minus AC square is equal to 9 minus 1 is nothing but, see, 16 is the LCM, 9 minus 1 is nothing but 8 BC square, or else it can be written as 8 ones are 8 twos are. So I will transfer this to the left hand side. 2AB square minus 2AC square is equal to BC square, because 2 I have transferred it to the left hand side. So cross multiplication. So or else 2AB square is equal to, this I will transfer to the right hand side, 2AC square plus BC square, which I need to prove. 2AB square is equal to 2AC square plus BC square. Only you should be able to understand this. If you are able to understand this, the rest everything is easy. Please note this down. So next 15th question. In an equilateral triangle ABC, D is a point on BC such that BD is equal to 1 by 3 BC. Prove that 9 AD square is equal to 7 AB square. So there is an equilateral triangle A, B. Say what is the property of an equilateral triangle? All the 3 sides will be equal. Now there is a point D on BC. D is a point on BC such that BD is equal to 1 by 3 times BC. BD is equal to 1 by 3 times BC. Now they asked us to show 9 AD square is equal to 7 times AB square. Okay. So to apply Pythagoras theorem, we need one altitude. Fine. So for that, what we need to do, we need to draw one altitude. So I'll draw an altitude AE perpendicular to BC. Once I draw altitude in an equilateral triangle, it divides the base, that is BE is equal to EC. Okay, we will talk about it later. Okay, solution. So what is given? Given ABC is an equilateral triangle and BD is equal to 1 by 3 times BC. Okay, this is the given data. Now next we'll talk about this. So later we'll talk about this. See what we need to prove. We need to prove 9AD square is equal to 7AB square. Fine. We'll keep it as it is. Next, construction. What construction we did? AE we have drawn. That's always I said, to avoid the confusion, we need to show the construction by a dotted line. I have shown it. See, AE perpendicular to BC. So draw AE perpendicular to BC. Proof. In triangle ABC, AB is equal to BC is equal to AC, or else AB by 2 is equal to BC by 2 is equal to AC by 2, which is equal to BE, which is equal to EC. So this altitude bisects the base into two parts, that is BE will be equal to EC, because it's the property of a equilateral triangle that you have studied in 7th or 8th standard. Now, so after that, what it is given to us, BD is equal to 1 by 3 BC. Fine. So now, then what about DE? DE will be equal to, see, this is BE, BE minus BD, BE minus BD. So what is BE? BE is nothing but BC by 2 minus, what is BD? BC by 3. So it is given. BE is nothing but BC by 2 and BD is nothing but BC by 3. What is the LCM? 6 is the LCM. So 2 3s are 3 BC minus 2 BC by 6, which is nothing but BC by 6, or we can write it as AB by 6, because in equilateral triangle all the sides will be equal. So, and why I am writing it in terms of AB means I need AB. That is the reason I am writing in terms of AB. Next. So this is over. Next. AD square is equal to, in triangle ABE, AE square is equal to, in this triangle ABE, A, B and E. In triangle AB, angle E is equal to 90 degree. I can apply Pythagoras theorem. Then hypotenuse AE square is equal to BE square plus, AE square. This is AE square. So if I want AE square, hypotenuse square minus base square, see, AB square minus BE square. AB square minus BE square. What is AB square? I'll keep AB square as it is. What is BE square? BE square is nothing but AB by 2 whole square. Can I write it? So because AB is equal to BC by 2 or AB by 2, I can write. See, B is nothing but BC by 2. Instead of BC by 2, I can write AB by 2, because BC is equal to AB in an equilateral triangle. So that only I have written. AB square is equal to AB square divided by 4, which is equal to 4 ones are 4. See, LCM, after taking LCM, 4 will be the LCM. 4 AB square minus AB square is 3 by 4 AB square. So AE square is equal to 3 by 4 AB square. This I'll call it as equation number 1. Fine. Next, again one more time, in triangle ADE, AE square is equal to AE square is equal to AD square minus DE square. AD square minus AD square minus DE square. Okay. I need AD square. So I'll keep it AD. So see, AD square I'll keep it as it is. Instead of DE square, what I can write? So that is AB by 6 whole square. AB by 6 whole square, which is nothing but AD square minus AB square divided by 36. So or else I can write it as AE square. AE square is equal to same thing I am writing. AE square is equal to AD square minus AB square divided by 36. I'll call it as equation number 2. So let me adjust the screen. Okay, see, so equation 1 compare equation 1 and 2. There is A square A square, LHS is equal. So compare 1 and 2. Compare 1 and 2. Since LHS is equal, I can equate RHS. So that is AD square minus DE square. Sorry, where is it? A square is nothing but 3 by 4 AB square. So I am comparing 1 and 2. So AE square, this and this is equal, LHS is equal, I can compare RHS. This I am going to compare. 3 by 4 AB square is equal to AD square minus AB square divided by 36. Okay, what we can write? See, 3 by 4 AB square. So can I transfer AB square to the left hand side? That is 3 by 4 AB square, 3 by 4 AB square plus AB square divided by 36 is equal to AD square. Fine. I have transferred this to the left hand side. So what is the LCM? I will continue here. What is the LCM? 36 is the LCM. 36 is the LCM. 4 9 ja, 9 3 is 27 AB square plus 36 1 is 36, that is AB square is equal to AD square, which is it's a side. See, if I write below, you will not able to see. So I am going to continue here. 27 plus 1, 28. 28 AB square divided by 36 is equal to AD square. 7 4s are 28. 4 multiple 7 4s are 28. Sorry, 4 multiple 4 7s are 28. 4 9s are 36. So I am going to continue here. See, 7 AB square is equal to 7 AB square is equal to cross multiplication 9 AD square. That's it. This is what we are supposed to prove. We proved it. So please note this down. Sixteenth question. In an equilateral triangle, prove that 3 times the square of one side is equal to 4 times the square of one of its altitude. See, there is an equilateral triangle. According to data, I am going to draw a diagram. ABC is a triangle which is equilateral triangle. So in equilateral triangle, all the sides will be equal. What they are asking us to prove? See, 3 times the square of one of its side is equal to 4 times the square of one of its altitude. So I will take, let AD be one of its altitude. So then what I need to prove? See, if I take, then according to that, 3 times the square of one of its, say if I take 3AB square, 3 times one of its square of its, see, 3 times the square of one side, 3 times the square of one side, that is AB is one side. So 3 times of it is equal to 4 times the square of one of its altitude. 4 times altitude is AD, 4 times the square of its altitude. 3 times the square of its one of its side is equal to 4 times the square of its one of its altitude. You can take in this way or in this way or in that, whichever. There can be 3 altitudes, right? This is one more altitude, this is one more altitude. So in that, what we need to prove, 3 times the square of one of its side is equal to 4 times one of its altitude. That we need to prove. This is the altitude. Okay. Now what we do, will start. Given ABC is an equilateral triangle. So AB will be equal to BC will be equal to CA, or else BD is equal to AB by 2. Okay. Now to prove, what is required for us to prove? 3AB square is equal to 4AD square. Okay. That we need to prove. In the proof, so in triangle, see, in triangle ABC, let AB is equal to BC is equal to AC is equal to A. Let the side be, if I define one of the side, so all the side will be equal, so that will be equal to A. Then so BD is equal to AB by 2 or BC by 2, which is equal to A by 2. Now, so in triangle, consider this triangle. I need to show the relation. So this is A by 2. From this data, this will be A, this will be A by 2. So in triangle ABD, AB square is equal to, so angle D will be equal to 90 degree. So that is the reason AB square will be equal to BD square plus AD square. AB square is equal to BD square plus AD square. So, or else AB square is nothing but A square, AB is nothing but A square, BD square is nothing but A by 2 whole square plus AD square. So A square is equal to A square divided by 4 plus AD square. Now here, A square minus A square divided by 4. See, this I am going to transfer it to the left hand side. A square minus A square by 4, which is equal to AD square. Okay. 4 will be the LCM. 4A square minus A square is equal to AD square. 4A square minus A square is nothing but 3A square. 3A square divided by 4 is equal to AD square. Fine. Or else 3A square is equal to 4AD square. Or else A is nothing but AB. A is nothing but A is the length of AB. That is therefore 3 times AB square is equal to 4 times AD square. So this was required for us to prove. We proved it. Please note this down. And one more thing. 17th is very simple. Based on the Pythagoras theorem, you need to find the angle formed at B. That will be your homework. This concludes the chapter triangles. So I request you to complete the classwork, update the classwork, and you need to write what we have learnt and update it and share the last page pic duly signed by your parent. So thank you.